Welcome to Vibha's Hobby channel. Today I'm going to share a unique and exciting liquid embroidery technique. It's inspired by Kutchwork, a beautiful traditional Indian embroidery that's usually done with thread and needle. First, fix your fabric firmly onto a board using paper tape. This keeps it stretched and steady while you work. I've already traced my design onto the fabric using yellow carbon paper. Now, I'll start by outlining the neckline using a 3D outliner. Hold the bottle like a pen and gently squeeze while moving it along the traced line. Let me show you how to draw a basic Kutchwork motif on paper with a pencil. Watch it carefully. Now, on the fabric, place thick, evenly spaced dots using yellow 3D outliner. Take a toothpick or an empty pen refill and pull lines in between, just like I've shown on the paper. These lines leave impressions in the paint. Once the paint dries, the impressions look like threads, giving the effect of real Kutchwork stitches. Start with a simple plus mark. From each open end of the plus, create small loop patterns that completes the basic motif. We'll build the design step by step, just like real embroidery, only here, every stroke is done with the outliner. Kutchwork is a beautiful Indian traditional embroidery. Normally it's done with threads and needle, but today I'm going to show you a different way. Instead of stitching, we'll use colorful acrylic 3D outliners to achieve the same intricate look. This method is quicker, easier, and a lot more fun. And yes, even kids can try it. Now let's do some magic. We are going to fix mirrors on fabric in no time. First, just add a tiny drop of fabric glue where you want the mirror. Next, take green color 3D outliner and draw a nice thick ring right on that spot. Now, place the mirror gently on top and press it down. I'm using a toothpick here. You can also use the back of a brush to push it down evenly. As you press, the outliner oozes out perfectly around the edges. This not only secures the mirror but also creates a smooth, colorful border that hides the sharp edges. That's it, and you're done with mirror work. Now, let's create a circular motif around the mirror. At first glance, it might seem tricky, but it's actually very simple. All we are doing is making one continuous Kutchwork line around the mirror. Place thick and evenly spaced dots with orange 3D outliner along the circle. Next, take a toothpick or an empty ballpoint refill and drag lines between the dots to form the Kutchwork pattern in the paint. Draw a simple plus mark, join them to form a ring. Then, draw a loop joining the ends that resembles the flow of thread and complete the circle. And that's it, the circular motif is ready. Continue making circular motifs around all the mirrors. Now, let's move on to painting the border line. Draw a neat border line around your design and continue creating cutwork pattern along the line. A plain border can look flat, so here's how we'll make it more interesting. Next, to extend this pattern, we'll add small cutwork stitch motifs along the border, but not on every spot. Place them alternately, so one space has the motif and the next is left plain. This creates a rhythmic effect, and it immediately gives your work more depth and detail. Keep repeating this alternate placement and watch how the simple line transforms into a rich decorative pattern. Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and share to stay tuned for more exciting videos coming your way. Now complete the design, then keep it aside in a safe place and let it dry undisturbed for at least 48 hours. Once it's fully dry, it will look just like real thread work. And your beautiful Kutchwork liquid embroidery is ready. Hope you liked it. See you soon with another new topic. Thank you.